and we present the banners. How about a nice welcome on a Saturday night to kick it off? So you know, while you watch them saluting our host flag of the cattle call, served in our military forces of America, while you watch them ride, could I call on anybody that is currently serving or has ever served just for a moment to stand for us? Just for a moment so we can say thank you for all you have given to us. You, thank you for doing just that. You know what? That sounds good, like a good shot of Drambuie, just to make everything smooth tonight, to have an audience that sounds that good. While they are riding, go ahead and enjoy the rest of this flag ceremony, because it's going to get even better. The pretty ladies do an awfully good job. Presentation, it's brought our way by the El Centro sector of the Border Patrol Mounted Color Guard. Show them we care. As they ride those flags up, it has never been said that we had to welcome that American flag quietly. On a Saturday night, how about a little American pride sounding out right here? Nicely done. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to invite you to open your hearts and open your voices, to stand with us as we honor that. Rita, right now, I've got some pretty ladies I'm going to introduce to you here in a moment. You know, when I say we have pretty ladies, I hold it to the beast. Next up, it's down below and time to take a look. Our wild horse race brought to us by Rabobank. They will get everything set. They have chopped out a square in front of the main grandstand. On the sound of the gun, there it is. They are underway. So it is Western. They are vying for world title points. They have got to get a saddle on the horse, three-man teams. All right. So the old gray or blue roan down here, he's being a little feisty. Is that, not Bob, by the way, is that the last one on anchor? No, we got some to the left. We could have a race yet. The blue team down here to my left. The blue team down here to my left. Don't let go, boys. Don't let go. You're in an awfully tough position, but hang on. That was called the drop and arm drag hold over here. This is like WWF. They have a name for every move they make. We've got them in the saddle. Almost. No, we don't. Boys, you're still in the running. Get a saddle over here.
Hey, they get a saddle on them, they might win right there.
They have not got on. They're on. They're kind of on. They're not really on. Okay. The rule is you got to be in the saddle across the line. My boys in blue lost it. We don't have a winner yet. We got to get him across the line. They'll all help out. They're good Samaritans. Okay, so they're not going to help out. It's just a good idea at the time. We've just got to get them across the line. Take them with a herd, boys. They call it flock shooting.